Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and today is a very special video because I want to talk about favorite part of my makeup routine, which is lipsticks. I know I am a lipstick junkie. I love buying, trying and wearing all kinds of lipsticks, and what better than me to celebrate 12 years of Swiss Beauty. Swiss Beauty is 12 years old. Wow, I cannot believe I have been using their products for such a long time. I guess even before they became like mainstream, and I want to show you guys all of these lovely lipsticks that I have. They are across all finishes. So let's get started. Let's start off with something bold. This is the Swiss Beauty Non-Transfer Waterproof Lipstick in the shade 408 Blood Red. Now, this color makes me feel absolutely powerful. This is the kind of boss lady red that I would want to wear if I know that I want to make an impression. The formula of this is very, very comfortable. Also, the lipstick is supremely pigmented. And this shade of red is very, very brown girl friendly. You can see that it literally makes my skin tone pop. This is smudge proof, a matte finish and supremely long lasting. Plus the rose gold packaging is very luxe, so a perfect addition to your handbag. Next up, we have a liquid lipstick. This is the Stay On Matte liquid lipstick in the shade 04 Intimate Pink. Honestly, when I saw this in the tube, I thought that it'll be a little too light for me. But I have to say, I absolutely love the formulation of this. This applies very thin. Honestly, I would compare it to the Fenty Beauty liquid lipstick because both of these formulas seem very, very close. And this stays on like forever. Once you let this set, this is not going anywhere and is so comfortable. Like you will not feel like you're wearing anything on your lips at all. It is that comfortable. I was a little intimidated by this shade because I thought it will wash me out, but I think if you pair it up with a lip liner, you have a gorgeous everyday nudie pink that you can literally wear and forget. So this is a must try for my office girlies because this is going to last you forever. Next, we have this Swiss Beauty Pure Matte Lipstick in the shade 230 Brandy Harrington. This is a deeper shade. I think this will look beautiful on chocolate brown skin tones. If you are slightly deeper than me, trust me, you have to add it to cart. This will be your berry toned nude, which will really make your skin tone pop. Like I can almost imagine this on someone slightly more tan than me, and like someone like my mom. I think they will rock this lipstick. And how it's a comfortable matte formula, non-drying, and lasts a really long time, and definitely brown girl approved. Next up, we have this baby right here. This is the Swiss Beauty Matte Cat Lip Crayon in the shade 02 Regal Tamarine. I think this is honestly one of my favorite nude lipsticks at the moment. Very creamy formula, very long lasting, does not really transfer or anything of that sort. Again, great for someone if you're office going or want your lipstick to last a very long time. This is it. Once it sets, it is really not going anywhere. This is enriched with jojoba oil and vitamin E, so very nourishing on the lips. I love formulas like this which are nourishing on the lips and not drying, and it also does not emphasize any of my lip lines, which is great. So this is definitely something that I love keeping in my bag. Next up is something that has been by my side for the longest time. This is the Swiss Beauty HD Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade 08 Peach Day. This packaging is very reminiscent of the Huda Beauty lipsticks, and the formula is also so bang on similar. I cannot even. I have the Huda Beauty one, and ever since I started using this, I don't even know where that went because this is what I have been continuously wearing ever since I got it. Such a beautiful matte formula. This actually blurs out all of my lip lines. So if that is your concern, this is an absolute must buy. This shade can feel intimidating for someone who is slightly darker than me, but again, I feel with a good lip liner you will be able to wear this lipstick. It is a beautiful finish. I love that it has this little magnetic thing, and inside it is a beautiful muted mauvey pinky nudie color, which is honestly my go-to color. So I just quickly also wanted to say that you can head over to Swiss Beauty's official website and grab an additional 15% off on orders above $4.99 if you use my coupon code Shruti15. Moving away from the mattes, let's get to comfort, creamy, satin finishes. This is the Swiss Beauty Pure Creamy Lipstick in the shade 06 Elegant Pink. And I think they have named the shade very right because this is a beautiful elegant pink. Also, the packaging is so luxe. I love the fact that they have this embossing on the lipstick. So I almost feel like I'm using a high-end lipstick, and the shade is going to suit a variety of skin tones. Very comfortable formula. I won't say that it is transfer proof because it is a creamy finish. But I think this is a great lipstick to wear like on an evening out. I feel this is the lipstick if you want to feel like a luxury babe on a budget, because this legit makes me feel like I'm wearing a high-end lipstick, and also the packaging is quite luxe. Next up, we have this gorgeous baby right here. This is the Swiss Beauty Pure Luster Lipstick in the shade 07 Twisted Caramel. Honestly, the packaging is everything. It is so beautiful. Even when I want to like take it out and wear it, it just feels like I'm that girl. This is a very comfortable formula. Again, will not dry out your lips. Very creamy, goes on and glides beautifully on your lips. And I actually thought that this would need a lip liner, but I wore it without it, and it really did well on my two-toned pigmented lips. So formula wise also it is great. Very pigmented. If you love creamy lipsticks, you're going to absolutely love this, and the shade is actually very brown girl friendly even by itself without a lip liner. Honestly, this I would just get for the packaging. This is that cute. Next up is this little sparkly thing right here. This is the Swiss Beauty Glitter Gel Lip Shade in 01. This sitting on my vanity is beautiful. Also, this actually has a really pleasant smell to it, which, you know, is like very candy-like, which I absolutely love. This I usually wear when I'm going to the gym. This is a pH lipstick, so depending on your body temperature, it will form a beautiful shade of pink on your lips. I love wearing this when I'm going to the gym. I don't wear makeup to the gym, but I just like having some sort of hydration on my lips, so that's why I love wearing this. And it is very easy, you know, you just go. Once the pink shade comes onto your lips, it's not going anywhere, and it is sweat resistant, so that's why I love it. Also, the packaging is beautiful, and the smell is actually nice. Like, it's really captivating. I love it. Next up is also something that I wear to the gym. This is the Swiss Beauty Dip Tint Lip Oil. This is actually my second bottle. I have one of this in my gym bag at all times. So if I don't wear the glitter gel, this is always in my gym bag. This also has like a faint candy type smell. I absolutely enjoy it, and it gives a beautiful glassy, glowy finish to the lips, which I love. This is the only makeup-ish product that I will ever wear to the gym. I am not about to go to the gym with any other sort of makeup. If I'm feeling a little fancy, I'll also add a little bit of this on my cheeks, just to give myself a little flush. So this is definitely one of those multi-purpose kind of products that I keep in my gym bag at all times. And also for the price, this is an absolute no-brainer. This is so beautiful. Bas ye to le lo. Ye to le lo. For sure. Next up, we have a beautiful satin comfort lipstick. This is the Swiss Beauty Satin Comfort Lipstick in the shade 01 Barely Nude. When I saw this, I thought that it was definitely going to wash me out, but it is such a beautiful formula. I will say though that this is best used with a lip liner. On an everyday basis, I love myself a sexy nude lip. When I'm going out at night, I'll throw on a little bit of gloss, but for an everyday basis, I love a nude like this. I love the packaging of this. It is very cutesy and the shade itself is also really nice. Again, a formula that does not emphasize my lip lines, literally blurs them. This will look fantastic on someone who is slightly fairer, but even on my skin tone, this actually makes my lips look pretty sophisticated and nice. I think it will look really great with a lip liner, but even by itself, it's a great formula, so a definite try. Since I mentioned lip liner at least 5 times in this video, here is the Swiss Beauty lip liner. This is the Swiss Beauty 2-in-1 lip liner and lip filler. This is in the shade 4 Hot Brown. This is the only lip liner you will ever need. This is what I'm wearing right now, and this is a supremely long-lasting formula. So for any of the creamy lipsticks that I mentioned before, even for the satin comfort lipstick, these two together are chef's kiss. They're so good, and this shade of brown really helps with kind of neutralizing any sort of pigmentation that you have on your lips. So because I also have pigmented, like two-toned lips, this lip liner is an absolute godsend. It evens out my lip, it gives a good gripping base to my lipsticks and adds that depth and warmth to a few lighter shades to make it work on my skin tone. And this is so affordable for the price. Literally मैं बोलूँगी कि 5 डाल लो अपने कार्ट में, because you are not going to go wrong with this. Absolutely must have. Last but definitely not the least, this is the Swiss Beauty Plump Up Wet Gloss in the shade 08 Deep Desire. This is what I have on my lips right now. My lips look absolutely juicy and sexy, and they have had 15 glasses of water, but actually they just have this Swiss Beauty lip gloss on it. Right now, I have a little bit of the lip liner and this on top, but I've also showed you guys how this looks without any lip liner. And again, great job, because even without a lip liner, this doesn't come off patchy or anything on my pigmented lips. It is the right amount of pigment. You can obviously layer it on top of a lipstick to give yourself that plumpy look, or you can wear it just by itself and it is going to give you that glossy effect without too many products, which we all love. It has a very mild tingly sensation on your lips, nothing uncomfortable, but the formula makes your lips definitely look very plump and juicy, and this shade I think is a great nudie pinky shade that will go over a ton of lip combos. So another must have for brown girl. So those are all the lipsticks that I have currently been absolutely loving. I will leave a link for purchase in the description box, so definitely check it out. And you can use my coupon code Shruti15 for an additional 15% off on orders above $4.99 when you visit Swiss Beauty's official website. So get your carts. So head over and add all of these goodies to your cart right now. Honestly, the lip liner, this HD matte and this gloss, these three are, मतलब आंखें बंद करके इन तीनों को तो कार्ट में डाल ही लो, और इसके तो 4 डाल लो कार्ट में, बिकॉज ये प्राइस में ये फॉर्मूला बहुत ही ज्यादा एक्सीलेंट है. कभी खुदा ना खास्ता इन्होंने इसको डिसकंटिन्यू कर दिया ना, तुम्हारी जान बच जाएगी. So yeah, that is everything for today. Let me know which one of these lipsticks have you tried, which one of these lipsticks are your favorite, and if you have any other further recommendations, I would love to know from you guys. And subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.